What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing a little this morning I did a little cleaning, and then right now I'm going to go into Kroger and get some ingredients because tomorrow we're doing a little supper club. I have put what the supper club is in my past videos, but it's basically where me, my sister-in-law Kaylin, and some of our friends just get together and make food and do that every 3 months. So we've done a summer one, a fall one, and then now we're doing a Christmas one. So I am gonna make peppermint crunch cookies, and so they're super easy to make, and so we're gonna do that today, and then we're just gonna have kind of a chill day at home. I've already got my cleaning done, so the house is in tip-top shape, and Kyle is with me. As you can see, his face is a little bigger than usual.
A little bit.
Because he got his wisdom teeth out this past week, all 4 of them. So he has been down the past couple days, and so I'm kind of just taking the reins, right? Yeah. So he decided to go with me today, be my little buddy while I get errands done. And then, yeah, so we're gonna go to the grocery store, get some stuff, and then go home and make these cookies. We are back home. I gave you guys a little day in the life of where we went around the square, and we went to this store called Glacier's End. It was super earthy, super homey, and it's actually a store that owns a farm, and they make hot sauce and fruit syrups for their store. And I just wanted to show you guys some of the syrups that I got. This is their apple pie fruit syrup, which is really good for pancakes and waffles and more of like your breakfast stuff, which we make protein pancakes and waffles a lot, so I thought that would be cool. And it's homemade, and they literally make the syrup in the store, so I was like, this is so neat. And then here is their cute hot sauce. I say cute. I'm not gonna be eating it. Kyle's gonna be eating it, but I'm not. And so just wanted to show you guys some of their products in case that you are local and you wanted to go in there. Highly recommend it. It's really cool. It's a really neat store, and it's something different. I don't really feel like I've ever seen something like that around here, so I definitely recommend going in. Today, I'm going to be making peppermint crunch cookies for our supper club tomorrow. So I was just gonna give you guys a little baking with me video. I honestly did not know what I was gonna make until today, just because the last time I made something for the supper club, it completely flopped. I made an olive oil pumpkin cake, and it was not good. It was an Instagram recipe that did not work out. And so we're gonna try something different today. This is a 4-ingredient cookie, and so I went with something super easy. And so I got cake mix, I got the Ghiradelli peppermint bark, and then it just needs butter and egg. So we're gonna do that. That way, after church tomorrow, I can come home and relax and not have to stress about getting the cookies made, and that they're already ready, so we can have a restful Sunday tomorrow. So this is literally being taken the next day. But it is Sunday, and I am literally on my way to my sister-in-law's house. We are gonna be driving together to supper club, and I already made the cookies. So yesterday you saw me make the dough, and then I let the dough chill in the fridge. It was supposed to only be there for 2 hours, but I just left it in there all night. And then this morning I let it sit out for like 30 minutes, and then I made the cookies this morning, and I'm glad I did that because we literally only had like 2 hours to spare when I got home from church because we went out to eat afterwards, and I took a fat nap. And so everyone's wearing their matching PJs, and so these are the PJs I'm wearing.